Good afternoon, traders. It's about 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 26th of February, 2009. And news again, driving the markets, of course. So, President Obama is unveiling a $3.55 trillion spending plan for next year that would boost taxes on the wealthy and curtail Medicare to make way for a $634 billion down payment on universal health care, as said by Yahoo Finance. Pretty amazing. Just those numbers are staggering. So new jobless claims jump to 667,000. New home sales tumble. GM posts a $9.6 billion fourth quarter loss. JP Morgan's going to cut 12,000 jobs related to the WAMU deal. So Sears' fourth quarter profit falls 55% on charges. Just a lot of news. One interesting thing here is that a lot of the banks are rising on some of the government intervention here. So like the Goldman Sachs of the world showing relative strength compared to the S&P. So that's kind of interesting to note right now. But everything else is really just, after this gap up, nice run up in the morning into this double top here. Good resistance in this area. Made a few lower swing highs, worked its way south. Again and again, did an initial fill of this gap, and now it's working on the rest of it. So technical little bounce on the 200 MA on the 3-minute chart, which is really nothing to hang your hat on. It's the 50 MA on a 15-minute chart. That's a little better. And so this gap in here is trying to be filled. You'll see that happen possibly over the next little bit. Technically, that would be a perfect gap fill in this area. So watching out for that. The market internals, the tick spent most of the morning above zero. Last little bit here it has dropped and spent a good bit of the time below zero. Now it's mixed. So the TRIN for the New York Stock Exchange has spent all day long below 1.0, which is a positive thing for stocks going up. But the TRINQ has popped up above that level a couple times. So there's a divergence there between the trends, and also the VIX is rising. So here's a perfect little gap fill for that. Draw this over. There we go. It's hard to get those lines straight. There we go. And so anyway, looking to see the VIX drop off, looking to see the trends drop off. All right, and that's when I would consider going long again, at least in stocks that are exhibiting relative strength compared to the broad market. And it's got a lot to chew on the upside, and a good bit to chew on the downside. Really a good bit of consolidation going on today as people are trying to price in and understand what's really going to happen over the next few days, weeks, months. It's just an interesting environment to trade in. So I hope you guys are doing well. Again, thanks for all your comments. A lot of great ones last night. I responded to a couple of them, and some other posters did also. Forum members did also. So we'll be talking to you soon, and take care.